Hello and welcome. This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. In this video tutorial, we will be learning one of the most important and amazing feature of Microsoft Word, that is mail merge. That saves a user a lot of time in rewriting the letters or doing the editing when the person has to deliver or print hundreds and thousands of letters of the same format, but he needs to change the first name or the address or any other field. So mail merge uh, saves a lot of time. Learn that how to use a mail merge. So mail merge is basically a useful tool that allows you to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, or name tags, and more using information stored in a list, database, or a spreadsheet. I've written a small letter and this is our official template of Excel Basement, and you have to create a recipient list, which is typically most of the times through an Excel workbook. So I have already created that workbook in which I have stored a data of like first name column, last name, addresses, state, and their titles, right? So let's get started. We need to insert an address first on top 3 lines of this letter, and then the name of that person. And as you know that the address and name would be changing every time, so definitely we will be not doing it manually by creating a lot of pages in this Word document. We will go with a single page, but by using mail merge, when we will print that document, it will produce multiple different pages with each of the field. So how to use mail merge? Let's get started and learn that. You have to click on Mailings tab in your Microsoft Word application, and then in the Start Mail Merge group you have to click on Start Mail Merge button. From this menu, the last option, which is Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard, you have to open this. So click on that. On the right side you see a Mail Merge menu, and here you need to follow 6 steps. You need to complete the 6 steps in order to complete the mail merge process. So the first step says that select document type. What type of document are you working on? Either it's a letter or it's a email message, envelope, label, or directory. So in this particular video tutorial we are working on the letter. So now after this first step we will go to the bottom and click on next. Step number 2. Now step number 2 is which document you want to use for the mail merge. Either this current letter which is open right now, or you want to start from a template or from an other existing document. So we will go with this default option. We will be using this current page, this current document, and we will click on next for this step 3. In this step 3 you need to define a list, and definitely typically the recipient list is basically stored in Excel. It's very easy. So what I will do is I will go with the default option, use an existing list. We have other options like select from Outlook contacts or type a new list. So already we have the data in Excel, so we will click on browse and locate that Excel file. Now after locating that file, this select table window is appear, and we have one sheet which is called sheet 1. We will press OK button and it shows the columns available in that particular sheet, and press OK button. Okay, so the list has been now defined from that specific workbook. Go for step number 4. We have to click on next. Now step 4 is that write your letter. Now you have to add the fields here. If by mistakenly if you click on next and you have to again come back to the previous, you have the previous hyperlink as well, so you can move to the last step as well. So now we have to insert all those fields which are dynamic and which needs to be changed on every page, like address or name or any other thing, right? So for that we have to go to a write and insert fields group, and here you will find insert merge field. So I'm in start adding all these fields. So we need to have let's say the first name, then space last name, comma, enter for the next line. Then we need address, comma, enter. Then we need city, comma, space, then state, full stop. And then from the next line we need a title, either it's a Mr. or Miss, space, first name. So after adding fields to the relevant areas, we have to click on next for the step 5. This is called the previewing your letters. Now you can see that an address has been appeared with a name, and on the preview results group you can see when I click on this arrow next record, the address gets changed in a name also. So record number 3, 4, 5, 6. We can go back to the previous record as well. So you can see that mail merge saves a lot of time for a user. Instead of going to the manually writing a lot of letters, you can use mail merge. And when you print that, definitely at every time a different letter with a different address and name will print, right? So after customizing, the last step is complete the merge. And this is where you click on print, and then printer starts printing all those 6-7 letters accordingly. So I hope you like this technique, and we can move over towards mail merge for more advanced features in the next video. Thank you.